it's brutal.
Mm-hmm.
My house is, solid construction. It ripped out a wall, not when it came in, but the water had to go out, so it found the weakest point and ripped the wall out. Just a hole about 4 by 4. It doesn't affect the structure really, but, it shows you
The force and downward
Yeah.
water. Yeah. Hide from wind, run from water.
So the first thing you have to do is apply to FEMA.
And it's FEMA.gov.
FEMA.gov.
Yeah.
And SBA, even with FEMA, at the end of your FEMA individual assistance thing, if you have unmet needs that haven't been there, you still may be able to apply for an SBA low-cost loan. And businesses can apply for an SBA loan also in most cases.
Right.
At least it's low cost. If someone wants to get back in business, it can help.
Okay.
So they have to be repaid, as all loans do, but, it is an available government resource.